given him Simango. Came in for injured Rushwin Dortley in the last match against Magesi. Did quite well.
Yeah, he needs somebody running to that near post.
Serino gets it back. Oh! Referee points to the spot. There was a handball with the delivery en route to the head of Lilepo. Well, it hasn't been converted yet, but the roar around the stadium. St. Stephen's the wrong way. Nelson Mandela Bay Stadium erupts, and Kaizer Chiefs hit the front against Stellenbosch. A few minutes ago when Serino opted not to have a go from a similar position.
But also, I think there was a possibility of a handball. I think that's why Serino had his hands up, basically saying that that should have been something else other than just a goal kick.
Yeah. So, Nasiba Nku and Andre de Jong are onto the park. Lekolwane and Mani Putsaka make way. Putsaka, the Brandon Peterson who got the red card was...
Looks like it might have been
in the vicinity, yeah. Confusion reigns in the meantime. Kutukilen Mavo and Lilepo from a Stellenbosch perspective. Wicked corner in, equaliser! Andre de Jong is claiming the touch. It's all about the delivery. Reece Rossler, replaced by Dylan Solomon, did look a little as though he was struggling with the pace and trickery of Langalite Pili in these closing stages. Double play there in the last four, where Orlando Pirates are already waiting. Shabalala's corner, it's caused all kinds of problems. It's been turned in. Get the ball away. Oh! And Jamal's made a mistake. And Kaizer Chiefs will win this one 3-1. They are through to the semi-finals. The finishing touch of the scoreline in the end is an emphatic one. It doesn't nearly tell the whole story. But Kaizer Chiefs are through to the last four.
Watch DSTV Compact.